What is manifesting? You may have been wondering about manifesting and manifestation before. I will try to explain it to you in this video. Subscribe to my channel for future videos. Manifesting is intentionally creating what you want. Everyone has the ability to manifest anything they desire: wealth, optimum health, love, houses, cars, peace of mind. It's just that we're not taught this growing up. We're taught that we have to work hard and that the rich get richer, while the poor get poorer. The truth is that the power to manifest lies within you. You just have to learn how to use it. Whatever you think about, you are manifesting into your life. If you constantly think about what you don't want to have happen, that is exactly what you will manifest. But by learning the secrets of manifesting, you can begin to change your thoughts and your life. You can remain focused on what you want to happen. And soon, your greatest desires will manifest. You've probably noticed that you're constantly thinking about something, about where you want to go or what you want to achieve. Your mind is always thinking and manifesting something. That's why it's so important to know exactly how to use your manifesting power. What is manifesting? Well, manifestation is very real. It works with the law of attraction, which is a universal law that helps us manifest all of our dreams and desires into our lives. You may have heard many individuals talking about manifesting your dream job, more money, perfect partner and so forth, but what no one really tells you is what manifesting truly means and how to manifest all your wants and needs into existence. What does it mean to manifest something? We often see in movies that magic is summoned through a wand or a person acquires special powers in some type of accident. In real life, most people can't do magic with a secret wand or inherit special superpowers. However, we can all manifest what we want into our lives, and it all starts within our minds. To manifest anything means to first see it in your mind. Before you can manifest, you must first harness and use the imagination. Visualize what you would like to manifest into your life. If your goal is to become a better person and achieve success, see yourself being that person and imagine yourself in the position that you would like to be in. After you have visualized exactly what you want in clear detail, you must then work to make those visualized scenes come to life. Manifestation is looking into your own eyes and declaring your desire. It is to be with that truth and acting with that truth no matter what. Live from that assumption as your new truth. Since everything begins in the mind, it is crucial to prepare mentally. Ask yourself, what do you want and who you want to become? Once you know exactly what you want to manifest, accept it as your own truth because you are in control of your own beliefs. If you tell yourself every day that you are brave, your mind will believe that you are brave and you will adopt this belief as your own. If you want to know more about manifesting, I recommend you check out Manifestation Magic by Alexander Wilson. He teaches you in his system how to manifest anything you want in life. Click the link in the description for details.